the length of a rectangular table is 8 less than 4 times its width. If the area is 32 square inches, what is the length and the width of the rectangle? So dito, yung given natin is length is 8 less than 4 times its width. Okay, my question is, given ba yung width natin? Okay, di ba walang value or walang given na width? So, instead, we simply write W to represent yung width natin. Now, let us write yung length natin, which is 8 less than 4 times its width. So, take note of the word than. So, after word ng than, which is 4 times its width, yun muna yung una mong isusulat. So, 4 times its width, so 4W, tapos less than, which is minus 8. So, we can write length as 4W minus 8. And then, yung given na 32 square inches, which is yung area. And then, we need to find yung length at yung width ng ating rectangle. Now, we need to use this formula, which is area is equal to length times width. So, ang gagawin lang natin is simply substitute yung value ng area, which is 32 square inches. And then yung length, which is quantity, 4W minus 8, and times W. And then, we simply substitute lang yung W do sa 4W. And then, negative 8 times W. And we will get 32 is equal to 4W squared minus 8W. Now, yung next step natin is yung area natin, which is positive 32, ililipat natin sa right side. So, from positive 32, kapag tayo ay naglilipat ng mga terms from left side to right side or right side to left side, nagbabago yung side. It means na from positive 32 magiging negative 32. Now, next step natin. Okay, dito mapapansin ninyo na sa left side natin, 0 na lang yung value. And then, tingnan natin yung remaining polynomial na nasa right side, which is 4W squared minus 8W minus 32. Ngayon, tingnan natin, pwede ba natin silang i-factor? So, ngayon, think of a number na pwede nating i-divide sa 4, 8 at 32. So, kung ang naiisip nyo is 4, yes, pwede nating i-divide sila by 4. So, that would be our first factor. Now, to find yung second factor, we simply have to divide each term by 4. Okay? So, divide natin. 4 divided by 4, that is 1. Ang matitira is W squared. Next, negative 8 divided by 4, that is negative 2. Ang matitira is W. Copy lang natin yon. Next is negative 32 divided by 4, that is negative 8. So, yun yung ating pangalawang factor, which is quantity, W squared minus 2W minus 8. Ngayon, ma'am, ito pang naka-close parenthesis ay pwede pa ba nating i-factor? Yes po, pwede pa. Okay, so paano ba natin to i-factor? We can use yung general factoring by general quadratic trinomial wherein A is equal to 1. So, this can be factored as quantity W minus 4 times quantity W plus 2. So, ito na yung factored form niya. Kasama yung 4, okay? So, 4 times W minus 4 times W plus 2. Now, ma'am, anong gagawin natin? So, now, we need to find yung value ng width natin. To find that, we're gonna use yung mga naka-parenthesis, yung naka-close parenthesis. Yan yung kukunan natin ng value ng width natin. Kasi lahat ng naka-close parenthesis ay i-equate natin sa 0. Okay? So, let's start do sa W minus 4. So, equal natin sa 4. So, lipat natin negative 4. Sa kabilang side, magiging positive 4. So, yung width natin magiging equal sa 4. And then, yung width plus 2, lipat natin yung positive 2 sa kabilang side, magiging negative 2. So, 0 minus 2, that is equal to negative 2. Ngayon, mapapansin ninyo na meron tayong dalawang value ng width. Isang positive 4 at isang negative 2. My question is, ma'am, pwede bang negative 2 ang width natin? So, that is a no. Width cannot be negative. So, wala naman tayong anong width? Negative 2. There's no such thing as negative na width. So, ang value ng width natin would be 4. So, 4 yung ating width. So, we're gonna use this width, no, yung value which is 4, to find naman yung value ng ating length. 'Di ba? Recall lang natin, 'di ba, ang value ng length natin is yung equation ng length natin is length is equal to 4w minus 8. We simply replace w by 4. So, 4 times 4 minus 8. So, that would give us 16 minus 8. So, yung length natin would be 8. So, therefore, no, yung length at width natin would be 4 inches at 8 inches. So, again, yung width natin is 4 inches, yung length is 8 inches. To check yung area natin, we simply multiply yung length times width. So, 4 times 8, that is 32. 32 square inches. So, tama. So, this would be our length and width for example number 3.